Hope able, I'm audible to everyone. Just checking this live thing. I never done this before, so just wanted to check how this works, how I'm going to share my screen, and how people are going to interact with me. Um, the live session I'm going to start, but not today. From tomorrow, same time. I'm planning every day something go live for at least 30 minutes and show you something that I came across, any issues or anything new thing coming, those kind of things. I am going to share my experience every day, 30-minute or 1 hour session every day live. Actually, my plan is to complete my watch hours, and the live is going to help me as per the YouTube. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to cover all these points. I can cover all these points if anyone is interested. Just uh, put the message, and I can show you on the live session. If you want to learn something new or want to understand something uh, that I have already covered on my channel. So those things I can show you. So if anyone is interested, any point, any questions, just put the message in the chat box, and we'll see the interactive. Not like I'm not. I don't have any agenda that I wanted to cover. If you have any questions, I can just on the live session I can try to explain. If that whatever problem is, I can mimic on my this day tenant, then I can do this. So it's just checking today. I'm going to share what how screen is going to look. Basically, this is what it is. Ching, ching, ching. If you have any question, just put the message. Yeah. Let me see if I can put the message. Oh, oh, perfect. Like it, cancel lock. So since we are here, let me show you something new that Microsoft has. Every time they keep changing. So now previously the conditional access thing was under the identity protection, and now it is, you see right here, the conditional access, the new tab is here. So from here, You see there is a policies and the same interface. Again, you see the same interface, but there's another way also, the risk-based conditional access policy. So again, you land on the same page. So you can access this conditional access policy from here also, same, and the risk-based conditional access policy. I mean, there is no difference as such. It's just an identity under the ID protection. They kept it here, but the same page. It's you open the same page. You land on the same page from the two different way. So risky user, risky signing, risky user, those kind of things is here. Risky workload identities, again, this is here. So I'm going to cover this every day, something new. The conditional access to this conditional access policy, and you want to get started, create a new conditional access policy, or you can create from the template. So Microsoft has updated their template sources. So you can use the existing template and create your own conditional access policy. They have pretty much few policies are pretty much new. So you can just go through this require MDM enrolled and the compliant device to access cloud apps for all users. Preview. It is in preview, but you can use it. Uh, how if you want to do or give more security that way. Zero trust is again. So there is this. This is the categorized. They create a category and like zero under the zero trust framework or model. You can see this many policies are there that you can use that goes under the zero trust uh, model. Okay, remote work, for example, the employees do work from home. So these are the policies that fits for them. Protect administrator is it's like a protecting your administrator IDs, giving some restriction, putting some restrictions for your admin accounts, those emerging threats. So this is required phishing resistance, multi-factor authentication is that FIDO key, those kind of FIDO key, then Windows Hello, these kind of things you can put the restrictions as a multi-factor authentication. So, and this all is basically you will see all these policies here under this, see more, and you will have all the listed here. So you can use any existing template and just view the policy, what policy is doing, who's going to like where it is going to apply. All this stuff is here, and yeah, you can just create what is this? Edit, discard, cancel, and just review it by default. Because it's a report only, so use this function report only and create the policy, and then just see how this policy is working. How this policy is doing in your company authentication process and all. If it is uh, creating any problem with the existing access control, anything is blocking, allowing, those kind of things. It's currently in report only mode, so it's not going to affect anything, but it's kind of in a monitoring state. So yeah, so you can just see the logs, and then you can see. So how you are going to check the logs? That is another question. This is the beauty of live session. So I can tell you how you can check. Go to the overview page, and then since I Still, I open this my portal after so many days. So I'm not able to show you exactly the coverage. So it's basically if it is my policies and everything is uh, I'm not logging every day here, and that's why the data is not here. But it will show the how many applications, how many users are affected with this user with that policy, particular policy, and it will give you the exact statistics how much that policy is useful. Like is there unnecessarily or it is doing its job intent job. So those kind of things you can check from here. So it's that thing is not here because this is a demo variant, and I personally I logged in to this portal after almost 2 3 months, which is not good. So inside in reporting, you don't have permission. I am on global admin or not. So for that, how I'm going to check is go to the home and remove page, and I am global administrator, which is right. And let me see. So yes, today we almost done 26 minutes this live session. I'm super happy with this thing, whatever. It's great. It will be more fun to show you how these things are working. And just who wanted to, and yeah, I'll walk you through all these tabs and all this information, what how you can use this in a different use cases. So this will be a very fun to do activity for me now. I love live sessions. And yes, I'll do this. We'll catch up tomorrow, same time, I guess, and then we'll just we'll play with this whole portal, everything. And yeah, the purview is another big topic that I will cover. And from the security point of view, I really wanted to show you that is Microsoft Sentinel, where all the magic happens. Microsoft Sentinel. This is what I have. So just stay tuned to see this Microsoft Sentinel, where all magic happens. I love this photo. Perfect. So bye from now and see you tomorrow. Uh, bye bye.